Recently, people drop shipping with AliExpress must have many troubles because Obelo is officially shut down and many have migrated to Deezers. However, as I can see from some Deezers reviews, people say it's hard to use and even worse than Obelo because some basic functions are missing and it charges for features that Obelo offered for free. The point is that no matter Obelo or Deezers, the foundation is AliExpress dropshipping, but AliExpress and dropshipping are not really a best fit. In today's video, I am going to give you some new ideas to work with dropshipping agents like SourcingBox, so you won't lose your time and energy for Deezers and AliExpress dropshipping anymore. Hello everyone, it's Hongbin speaking. I am a co-founder of SourcingBox. Welcome to SourcingBox channel. Our team has experience in dropshipping business for over 5 years. If you want to know more about dropshipping and making money online, please hit the subscribe below and turn on the notification so you won't miss our next video and also weekly SourcingBox hot product recommendations. Now let's get back to the point of today's video. Although AliExpress dropshipping was mentioned the most often in the whole dropshipping industry until today, the popularity of AliExpress dropshipping on Google Trends is going down despite the growing trends of dropshipping. AliExpress used to be popular and developed rapidly after the outbreak of the pandemic. Many people who were trapped at home and lost their jobs at that time started focusing on making money online, and dropshipping was one of the best ways. In the meantime, China was the first country to control the pandemic and resume production, making it the best supply chain provider for dropshipping. And AliExpress has the most massive product supply from China with good prices and global shipping services, attracting those who want to make money online through dropshipping. It was hard to buy items from China in the past, but AliExpress made it possible to source products directly from China and also solved some problems on language, geographic, and time differences. Some automation tools like Obelo and Deezers allow you to associate your stores and products with the AliExpress suppliers, importing AliExpress products to your stores and fulfill your orders. All these reasons made AliExpress seem to be a great choice for dropshipping. However, as dropshipping grows, more and more people have realized that dropshipping with AliExpress was not the best choice. From the efficiency point of view, dropshippers have to deal with multiple AliExpress suppliers to get the best offers. The whole process was time-consuming, and they have no control over the product quality and the delivery. They almost had no time and energy focusing on improving the customer service or building brands of their dropshipping business. Another point is price. As I mentioned at the beginning, AliExpress is actually not the best fit for dropshipping. Most AliExpress suppliers are already resellers, and the product prices are much higher than original manufacturers or factories. If you resell the AliExpress products to your customers, you basically have little margins unless you can negotiate with AliExpress sellers to get good prices, which is usually difficult. That's why we don't recommend dropshipping with AliExpress or any tools run based on AliExpress dropshipping. With the trends of AliExpress dropshipping going down, more and more dropshippers have already found alternatives to AliExpress with better dropshipping solutions. If you still work with AliExpress or some tools that rely on AliExpress, you will soon lose advantage over your competitors. So let me take you a little deeper about SourcingBox. Let's see how a dropshipping agent works and how the differences are from AliExpress dropshipping. How can SourcingBox be the best AliExpress alternative? Different from AliExpress, A dropshipping agent works directly with the manufacturers and sources products at wholesale prices. You're able to purchase products at lower prices and resell them to your customers with higher margins. Besides, a dropshipping agent helps you control the quality, provides much faster delivery services. A dropshipping agent helps you build your store's competitive advantages. It's convincing enough why you should choose to work with a dropshipping agent like SourcingBox. In my next video, I would like to talk about what you should consider when choosing a dropshipping supplier or agent. You can also comment to tell me what you want me to cover in future videos. Okay, after learning about how a dropshipping agent generally works, let's see what services SourcingBox can offer as one of the best AliExpress alternatives. SourcingBox is an automated app that allows you to connect your Shopify, WooCommerce, Yampee, and ShopLaza stores. Even if you are using stores of other platforms, you can also manually upload your orders with datasheets and enjoy our fulfillment services. All features of SourcingBox app are free to use, with no subscription fees or monthly fees. We're able to source almost any legal dropshipping products directly from manufacturers in China. The prices are competitive since there's no middleman or hidden freight like on AliExpress. You just need to tell us what you want and get quotes for free. Import the products to your stores via our app easily and start selling. In addition to the feature of importing products from the SourcingBox marketplace, our app also supports importing AliExpress products to your store directly. It's user-friendly for Obelo or Deezer's users to switch to SourcingBox. Your store orders can be synchronized to our app automatically, and you are able to manage and place your orders in bulk. We have our own team and warehouse to process your orders rather than forwarding your orders to random AliExpress suppliers. Since we work directly with the manufacturers, you are allowed to customize packaging or something for the products under your own brands, which is hardly possible with AliExpress. What's even better is that we centralize all your customers' products in our warehouse for quality checking, packaging, and shipping. The whole process is fast and uniform. However, if you use AliExpress for drop shipping, the products will come from different suppliers, so the packaging, processing time, and the shipping will vary. For shipping, we have many cost-effective shipping options with super fast delivery times. The average delivery time to the US and EU countries is about 7 to 14 days. Once the orders are shipped, the tracking numbers will be updated to SourcingBox and your store in real time. Your customers will also receive emails with the tracking links. One more advantage over AliExpress is that you can easily get refunds or reshipped for damaged, defective, or lost products. With SourcingBox, you just need to pick and sell the products, place orders to us, and then we will handle all the rest for you in the most efficient way. And your customers will receive the products in time. The whole process costs you less, but gets you more. That's much better than working AliExpress, right? SourcingBox has been evolving with the most advanced technology, collecting the widest range of product suppliers, and working with the best shipping companies to provide you with the best dropshipping fulfillment services. So, if you are still watching this video, don't hesitate to try something new that can change the whole situation of your dropshipping business or can even make it better. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments. If you want to learn more about how to working with SourcingBox for dropshipping, please contact us via the link below the video to get help from a one-on-one customer manager. We are always ready to be your best partner and make your business even more profitable and successful.